Alright, we have a Toyota Fortuner here at 2.5, and according to the plate, GGL, this is one of the very first ones that came out back in 2006. So he's here for what we pretty much consider the full package already. Well, not exactly full, but full enough, which consists of K&N intake, full 3-inch exhaust, and ECU remap. And if you're wondering what a more fuller package consists of, is adding an intercooler. But we'll get to that in Project Innova Elsa. But for this Fortuner, we're going to be doing those three things: intake, full exhaust, and then ECU remap. So we're doing it step by step, and we'll show you how to do it, and installation, the hows and the whys also. Okay, this is our proprietary intake tube for the Fortuners and Innovas, the 2.5 liter ones, and this will actually only work just for the Fortuner and the Innova 2.5. This will not work for the 3-liter Fortuner. We've tried it. We've installed this exact same thing on the 3.0. We lost 6 horses, so not good. But on the 2.5s, this one gets us another 4 to 5 horses on top of whatever the stock intake is. The secret actually is this. It's this big cone filter and this funnel section here. This is what makes the power. We'll link our Project Elsa Innova in the description below, just because we've done a back-to-back test between our intake and the intake of what every other shop does, and we'll prove that theirs make absolutely no power at best, and chances are it's a power loss. So we're going to be installing this right now on our Fortuner. Okay, we have here our bolt-ons, which are all finished. This is the Speedlab K&N intake. You can see it's bolted on, and one of the things that you might notice that this is covered with a plate. The earlier Fortuners actually don't have a mass airflow sensor, as in nothing, no sensor, no nothing. It's just there. All the airflow is sensed by the map sensor, which is this one here. So this is our only reference for how much airflow that the car is getting. The later ones, I believe, I think 2008 and up already have a mass airflow sensor, and thus those measure the air better and get slightly more power. And speaking of power, we just finished our baseline dyno, and we have a very sad total of 65 horses, despite the intake and the exhaust. Why is it like that? I'll show you why. And you want to know why it's only 65 horses? It's because it has 231,000 kilometers. That's why. And considering the age of the car and how much mileage it has, I'm surprised it's not lower. At first we thought there's something wrong with the boost and the turbo, but no. We checked out the boost curve here. It's the correct one. It's 12 psi. So that's pretty much what the stock boost curve makes, and that just tells us that despite 230,000 kilometers, the turbo is still in good condition. So So, age na lang talaga ng makina. Why it's like that?
Ng power.
Oh, so basically, 80% dagdag. All right, we have our results here, and well, it's definitely a lot better than whatever it came in with. So we started at 65 horses, now we're at 105. So that's 40 horses more peak to peak. But here at the start, it's from 50 to 100, so that's 50 horses more. Torque-wise, we're looking at from 200 Newton meters to 150. So if you want it as a percentage, it's actually 80% more power because our base is so low. And let's put it this way, if we can actually make it a little bit more powerful, but it'll be a bit more smoky, then it'll be 100% more power, which is a even more amazing number. Yeah, despite the really old age, results aren't that great, but when compared to other Fortuners that we've done, but hey, 80% more power. Tanggal!